I have created a new AI tool aimed to help me to start my autonomous automation workflow journey to manage Kubernetes deployments with Agentic AI. The tool is init-project, and it is available in the Agentico's tool catalog. This is the first step toward fully automating Kubernetes resource management using Agentic AI and QBot. I am aiming to make it easier than ever to set up your Kubernetes projects efficiently. You can try it directly from Claude for desktop or via CLI with qbclt in it and project name. How it works in Claude for desktop. Here's how I did it. Modify your Claude desktop config.json to include the new tool. Open Claude for desktop and ask the LLM to create a new project. The LLM automatically detects the installed tools and selects init-project for you. For example, just type, create a new QBot project named K8S test, and just like that, it sets up your project for you. Here's what the init-project tool generates. This structure follows Kubernetes best practices while ensuring flexibility for teams that already use Helm and need smooth chart integration. Work collaboratively, not in silos, but in tandem. Working in tandem, teams are working together, lined up closely one behind another, all facing in the same direction. One responsible for the application development, and another responsible for customer configurations and customizations. Build both COTS, commercial off-the-shelf, and bespoke software solutions. Key features of this structure. The envs stores environment-specific configs, for example, development, QA, production, etc. Charts keeps local Helm charts handy for teams working closely on application and deployment configurations. Why am I doing this? My goal is to democratize Kubernetes best practices, making them accessible, easy to use, and adaptable for any project. Why this matters. With QBot and Agentico, setting up new Kubernetes projects is no longer a manual, time-consuming task. Whether you're a beginner exploring cloud-native development or a seasoned DevOps pro, this tool simplifies project initialization so you can focus on what truly matters, building and deploying great software. More details can be found in K1S for QBot and Agentico's documentation for init-project. Try it out and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Go Rebels!